A country without borders is no country at all. Illegal immigration undermines the rule of law and hurts American workers. Today I want to show you two short clips that highlight a strong perspective on this issue. First, we will hear from Charlie Kirk, the founder of Turning Point USA, who makes a fiery call for mass deportation and argues that Americans, especially college graduates, shouldn't have to compete with illegal immigrants for jobs. Let's take a look.
Those of you that are looking for a job, you should not have to compete against a foreigner for your job. American college graduates should come first. And that starts with President Donald Trump. And this will affect everybody in this room, regardless of age. It is time for the largest deportation effort this country has ever seen. If you are here illegally, you are deported from the United States of America. Period. No amnesty. Repeat after me. No amnesty. Period. End of story. We will not put up with any exceptions, any carve-outs, any loopholes, any exceptions, any asterisks, any iotas. I don't care if it's 10 years or 15 years. We voted for mass deportations. We did not vote for mass amnesty. And we expect our leaders to deliver it and bring back our country to a place of citizenship and Americans being put first.
Charlie's point of view resonates with millions of Americans who believe the immigration system is broken. This frustration is one of the main reasons why so many people voted for President Donald Trump. In this next clip, you will hear from former DHS Secretary Chad Wolf. He offers a more technical perspective, explaining how large-scale deportations could be implemented and why policies from past administrations may have contributed to today's border crisis. Here's what he had to say on Fox News.
Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem, she says she's in talks with 5 Republican-led states, red states, to build new detention sites, like Alligator Alcatraz, for example. Chad, if they're building all of these new sites, it looks like they're going to try to get everybody out, not just the worst criminals. Is that going to be politically palatable?
Well, I think it is. Look, the administration has continued to say, as I and others have said, is that you can prioritize the worst of the worst. But just because you're prioritizing does not mean that you are excluding other classes of individuals that, again, don't have a legal right to be here. So you can remove everyone while at the same time prioritizing those hardened criminals, which I believe that they're doing. But look, we need to be very clear about this. This is exactly what President Biden and Obama before him did. They excluded whole classes of individuals from removal from this country. And in doing so, they both, in their own individual ways, created border crisis after border crisis. We need to be very clear with individuals that if you come here illegally, you stay here illegally, you have no legal right to be here, that eventually you will be removed from the country.
At the center of both messages is a call for consequences, that entering or remaining in the United States illegally should not be overlooked, and that laws must be enforced if they are to mean anything. According to many polls, the majority of Americans support mass deportations. How about you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter at alainguillot.com/newsletter so that you will never miss an episode. Thank you so much for watching, and until soon. Peace.